Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essential prerequisites so you avoid wasted effort. Check Chrome OS version and battery level. Updates often fix drivers. Once done, restart both the Chromebook and the router. Power cycle the modem for 30 seconds to clear transient faults. Then open Wi-Fi settings, disconnect and choose Forget Network to remove stale profiles. Rejoin with correct SSID and password. This forces a fresh DHCP lease and can resolve many common authentication or IP conflicts quickly. Next, address more complex configuration causes that survive a restart. Toggle Wi-Fi and airplane mode to reset the radio. Check for multiple identical SSIDs that confuse roaming decisions. If DHCP is flaky, assign a static IP or switch DNS to 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 to rule out name resolution issues. Also disable VPNs, proxy settings, and browser extensions. Then test connectivity in guest mode, because extensions or profiles frequently interfere with system networking and DNS caching behavior. Finally, confirm the problem isn't hardware or interference. Run the Chromebook diagnostics to test Wi-Fi radio and inspect for physical damage. Compare performance on 4 GHz versus 5 GHz and move closer to the router. Change channel to reduce interference. Make sure firmware and Chrome OS are up to date. If all else fails, backup data and perform a power wash to remove deep software corruption. If problems persist after power wash, contact support. It may be a failing Wi-Fi module needing repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.